It's Wednesday, February 10th, 2021. I guess it's about 2:30 p.m. That's Arizona time. Got a tree trimmer up there. It's the third video on the trimming this tree. And that branch is hanging out. He's trying to get it to drop. You can't see the angle where his cherry picker is. He's way up to the right. I don't know how he's moving that. But you see it coming out further. Look at hurry up before it drops.
Oh, geez.
See it sticking out?
Yeah.
But he's just trying to get that down now.
Wow.
Come on, let it go, or get it out of there. He pushed that branch pretty far out. You can't see the tree trimmer. But I do hear the electric chainsaw. Look at it. Don't know the name of this company. It's a one-man operation. His name is Carl, and he would be worth hiring. He's been on this now about 2-3 days, non-stop, full day he puts in. Does break for lunch. Come on, branch, drop already. Look how far out you are. I can still hear that chainsaw running. There we go. Boom. All right, that's enough for this one. As soon as the pictures record, what they're doing is the campground owners want that tree rounded out. You can see it's already on that side finished. You just got to get those top ones off. My goodness. That's a salt cedar tree. That's the largest girth of one we've ever seen. And I don't know if I can catch it, but there's one log here. It looks like it was growing upside down. Right there, you see how it was cut? Instead of going up the tree, it looks like it was coming down the tree. All right, that's it for this one.